Hey everyone, I'm Ross and this is Jamie from Tait Real Estate with Realty Executives Saskatoon, and welcome to our monthly market update.
We've recently seen several national news headlines talking about how Canada's housing market is overheated and how we should expect a market correction very soon.
One example was a recent report written by the Canadian Mortgage and Housing Corporation, which stated that the Canadian housing market has moved from a moderate to a high degree of vulnerability, and that the change was prompted by the detection of price accelerations alongside persistent overvaluation imbalances.
Although these warnings are likely warranted on a national level, we wanted to explain that when you look more locally into Saskatoon real estate market specifically, the statistics definitely tell a different story.
National news media and reports like the one from the CMHC are largely based on statistics that come from the major cities in Canada like Toronto, Vancouver, or Montreal. Comparatively, Saskatoon's market is like a little island of calm amongst all of the madness.
Saskatoon's market has undoubtedly been hot since COVID hit. 2020 saw a record number of sales, and 2021 has been even busier. As of October 3rd, the number of homes sold is up 34% compared to this same time last year.
Even though our market is busy, our market is still relatively stable. CMHC considers an unbalanced market to have about an 85% sales to listing ratio, which is close to where Toronto and Vancouver are at. But Saskatoon is more in the 60% range.
Also, we don't have an excess inventories in Saskatoon. There were 1,338 active MLS listings as of October 3rd. There were 651 new listings in September, which is down 20% for the month compared to September of 2020.
Also, average prices are definitely up, but nothing compared to other major cities in Canada. The average sale price in Saskatoon was $362,973 as of October 3rd, which is up about 5% compared to this time last year.
The point we wanted to make is that sometimes you have to dig a little deeper into the national news headlines. You might hear that Canada's housing market is headed for trouble, but when you zoom into Saskatoon's market statistics, our market conditions are actually much more favorable.
This is why it's always best to reach out to us if you see an article in the news and you have a question as to how it relates to our local market. We're happy to go over all the data with you and give you a more accurate picture of our market landscape.
Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.